Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel M Edu Colony. Love to learn grammar from the scratch. Fine friends, in today's session we are going to see what is conjunctions and what are all the words that is used to join two sentences or two clauses. So as we see here, what is the definition of a conjunction? A conjunction word is nothing but the word that is used to join two sentences or two clauses. So what is a clause actually? So you see, what is the definition for a clause? A clause is nothing but it just contains two verbs or two it contains a verb and a subject, so that is a clause. So clause will contain, or it is a kind of sentence that contains only the verb and the subject, so that is called as a clause. So if you want a detailed video about clause, just leave it in the comment section so that it will be motivating for me to put a video on clause. Okay, fine. Now we are going to see what are all the words that are used in conjunction. So what are all the words used here? And, for, but, otherwise, since, than, that, till, etc. So these are all the words that are used as conjunction word, or it is used to join two sentences or two clauses. So what is a junction actually? A junction is nothing but here, what is a junction actually? A junction is nothing but a meeting point. So here also this conjunction is used to join two sentences or two clauses. So these words act as a meeting point for the two sentences, so it will act in between those two sentences. Now if you see an example, now what example shall we take? We can take a boy called Ram and another one called Raghu. Ram and Raghu are good friends. So here it is just joining two nouns here. Ram is a separate noun here and Raghu is a separate noun here, and this conjunction is just joining these two words. If you see another example defining our definition or justifying our definition, if you see another example, see, we can take an example. Shreya sings well, but she is poor in dance. So here if you see, our definition is justified here. See what is given here, Shreya sings well. So this is a separate sentence here, right? Am I correct? Here this makes a complete sense. So Shreya sings well, it makes a complete sense here, so it is a separate sentence here. Here what we have said, but, is actually a conjunction word. So this but is joining another sentence. She is poor in dance. So this is another sentence. She is poor in dance. So it is just joining two sentences. So it is called as a conjunction word, or it is joining these two sentences. Okay. Have you understood what is conjunction? So these are the few of the conjunction words that I have seen in some of the books. So if you want, you can take a note of it, or you can make a note of it, of these sentences, so it will be so useful to you. See now, these words, so it will be useful to you. I'll just say what are the words written here: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, after, although, and before, however, if, neither, nevertheless, once, otherwise, since. So there are so many words written here. So these are all some of the conjunction words that I have seen in some of the books. Okay, and I think this video will be useful to you, and you have understood what is a conjunction and how it is used in sentences. Fine, I'll see you in the next video, and I'll come with a better explanation of the other topics and grammar. And if you liked my video, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will receive the notification of the videos I upload. Thank you and thanks for watching.